Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use the Rakuten Kobo app. So you can see here, I've opened my Rakuten Kobo apps and you can see it gives me this very simple interface of ebooks and also audiobooks I could buy. But of course, the first things first, we should probably create our account to actually access the full apps. So let's create an account, or you can also sign in with Google so it's faster. I'm going to sign in with Google like this so it's faster. I'm just going to click don't allow so it's not annoying. But once you've signed in, you can see this is what it looks like on the app. You can scroll through it. It's kind of like Netflix, but it's more of a book form factor, right? So you can use this like any other apps. So for example, trending now in ebooks, I want to click on more, right? And I want to buy this book, Doing Harm. You can see it costs about $1.99. Just click on this, and then it'll redirect us to the store section here. And we'll have to buy this book, right? Of course, you can see here, you can click on this to preview now. We can click on this to get a small snippet of the book. You can see like this. There's like a little loading bar here as well. You can get a couple pages first of the preview. It's like this. It's kind of like a ebook. And then you can see that was the controls earlier. So you can see like here, we can scroll through the pages like this. And this is what the app will look like when you actually buy the books later. But this is just a 300-page reviews like this. Now let's close out. If you want to buy, just click on this to buy now. And of course, you'll have to enter in your credit card details and your billing info. But after you buy the book, you can read it fully and it's in entirety. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.